Welcome to Learn TypeScript for Angular Development course powered by Pakt Publishing. My name is Bartłomiej Potaczek and I am a software engineer with more than 4 years experience, programming mostly in JavaScript. I am a big fan about everything related to React Word, functional programming and data visualization. I am a co-founder of InLearn and currently I am working on rewriting frontend for TV.nu, a Swedish most complete TV guide for over 200 channels. We will begin with an introduction to TypeScript and Angular framework, where you will install the TypeScript compiler and learn the most important secrets of the TypeScript language, such as types, functions, classes, interfaces, and start working in the Angular environment. The next section describes the introduction to components in the Angular using TypeScript. And using Angular CLI, you will create your first component, learn how to compose components, learn lifecycle methods in Angular, and respond to the user actions with events. The next section describes the services in the Angular framework, where you will learn about dependency injection and services in Angular. You will create your first Angular service, which you are gonna inject into the component and into another service. The next section describes modules, directives, pipes, and two-way data binding, where you will learn about modules in the Angular framework, find out what directives are and how to use them, create your own custom directive and external directives. You will also transform data with pipes and create a two-way data binding in two ways. In the next section, you will learn how to create a reactive form, how to handle the form and validate the data. The sixth section describes the routing strategies, where you will create an example routing configuration, add links thanks to which it will be possible to navigate without reloading the page, and of course handle routing. The last section is introduction to testing and debugging, where you will learn about the tests, the types of the tests, learn how to debug code using Chrome DevTools, and create component tests. When it comes to the prerequisites, you should be familiar with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript functions, events, and error handling, the basic module view controller, MVC concept, and the document object model, DOM. In this course, I will be using PHP Storm as an IDE, Node in version 8, the TypeScript in version 2, and Angular in version 5, but it's compatible with version 2 and 4, and of course Angular CLI.